Why does it take sailors ages to learn the alphabet?
Because they spend years at sea. 1.
Hit!
Today we're playing Battleshots.
And you sunk my ship. Prepare for war. Arrange your ships and your mind on your blue grid horizontally or vertically.
Fill each shot glass with your preferred choice of beverage. Today we're drinking some fruity coconut pineapple shooters. I love that it came with these hats. It's really putting me into character.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
D3.
Miss.
So circle.
Circle. C3.
Nothing. B4.
Hit! Woo! D2.
Nothing. B3.
Miss. D4.
Hit! But luckily for me, I get to take a shot.
Always looking on the bright side.
I'm gonna go with C4.
C4, yes, hit! Okay, so I hit D4, so I'm gonna go with C4. Hit!
It's either D4 or A4. A4.
Miss.
So I know where it is, huh? I know where it is.
B4.
You sunk my ship.
I got you, girl.
You got me. Woo! Never been so happy about a ship being sunk. Here I go, D4.
Hit! Hit. Oh,
Okay.
I forgot.
Take the shot.
I'm gonna go C6.
Not a thing.
Friend.
What do I get for a big ship?
You got me drinking 4 shots.
E4.
You sunk my battleship.
Yes, I did. Now drink. Drink up. You little stupid sailor.
Here we go. Let me find another one of those ships. E3.
Nothing. Can't get me. Too slick. If I was Sam, where would my OCD ass put a ship? It looks so cute. Where? So I'm gonna go with E1.
She thinks she knows my mind. Miss.
I feel like it's up there though.
If I was Bianca, where would I put a ship? I'm like, would you put the ships touching or would you want them all not touching? B2.
Nothing. Not a thing.
Miss.
Do I get to explode one of your ships now?
Maybe, maybe not. Not with a K. I make not.
You are so punny. C2.
Miss.
I'm getting sober over here.
E5.
I've been hit!
X marks the spot. All right, which one's over there? I don't think it's the long one.
D6.
Hit! Yes!
Okay.
Little Miss Boat over here somewhere. E6.
No,
I'm close though.
not today.
Close though.
Not today. E6.
Miss.
All right, now I know it's the other way.
F5.
Nope.
What? What kind of awkward ass, OCD unfriendly ass situation you got going on over there?
Smart one. Are you ready for a shot?
Maybe. I can do a shot.
Okay. C6.
C6. Hit!
Cheers to you taking a shot and your boat sinking.
Did it sink?
It didn't, so that means it's a long one. It's a 3-1, and I know where to go next.
My turn. D5.
You got me.
I
Hit.
knew it. I knew it.
You did. B6.
You sunk my battleship.
Pew pew. Yes.
Okay, ready? C5.
I've been hit.
That big old boat. I know that big old boat sitting right over there, girl.
Girl, I already been hit your big old boat. How about that?
I'm hitting that big old boat
And
right
I'm
now.
hitting your little ass boat next. F1.
Miss.
Dang it.
B5.
Okay. Cheers, guys.
It's going down. Sunk.
B2.
B2. Miss.
Something's fishy here.
I think it's you. F1.
Nope. C1.
Miss.
What the hell are you doing over there? Where the hell is your ships?
A2.
Miss! E2.
Miss. As we all know, Bianca likes to cluster up her ships all together in one little area, but I'm gonna say you have a little bit of decency in you to spread at least one out.
Maybe.
F3.
I've been hit. I'm gonna go with A1.
Miss.
Ugh. What kind of sneaky games are you playing over there?
The kind that's about to sink your battleship. F2.
I've been sunk!
Woo! Good game.
Good game, pal.
If you and your friends want to be a couple of drunken sailors, get your hands on this game.
And don't get caught dead in the water like me. Cheers.
Cheers!